Hey guys, Josh Sexton here again, luxury broker at listingsatampa.com at Piney Woods Realty, back for another 3 quick tips. We are getting into a competitive market. Interest rates are slightly up and days on market are going up. So we want to make sure that we can help get your house sold or give you some tips to make sure that house is sold. Number 1, review all your comps. Not only your solds and your pendings, but review your actives. So who is your active competition? I don't hear agents enough talk about walking and seeing those active competition. How do the finishes stack up versus your listing that you're thinking about putting on market? Number 2 is making sure it is positioned well. Great photography is a good start, but also staging the property and doing simple repairs or repaints, making sure that you are putting your best foot forward when buyers see this, not only online, but when they walk through the house. And number 3, make sure that you have a comprehensive marketing package. It's not just put it in the MLS and forget it. You have great photography, videography, you're posting all over social media, you're everywhere, you're doing open houses on the weekends. If your agents aren't doing that, please call me. On top of, we have buyer lead flow coming in every day for our team. We want to be able to bring opportunities to our sellers. This is Josh Sexton again. Subscribe if you're on YouTube, like and comment if you're on Instagram.